So in this video we're going to look at how we can display costs against our tasks in the table. And we're specifically going to look at how we can display different cost centers in different columns in the table. So first of all, if we look at our cost centers over here, we have three cost centers here, but we have project costs has sub-cost centers in there. And you could go, of course, you can keep on breaking this down to as much detail as you want. Now when we allocate these costs, I can allocate them by dragging them across and dropping them on there, so I can put labour and materials and plant against each of those. And if I added a cost column in here, I can just go down to cost and income cost, close on that. You can see that we've got plant 1000, labour 1000 and materials 1000, giving us a 3000 total and rolling up. What we might want to do is we might actually want to have a column to adjust the plant cost, the labour cost, and so forth. So it's simple to do. So if I'm just going to add another column in again, just right click, go down to cost and income, choose cost in here, and it's going to add another cost column in. It comes up with my table definition. But inside here I'm going to say cost plant. So this is, I just want this for the plant cost center. And down here, I just choose my plant, and that's going to put that in there. If I then click on add again, it's going to replicate it. And this time I want for my materials inside, and I just change that to materials. And I can continue to do this as much as I want. I close on that. And so now you can see I've got my plant, materials, and total. And you can see it only appears where it's relevantly assigned, which is great news. Now at the moment, I'm showing my costs by having this section up here, this cost allocations, and I turn them off. Another advantage of actually setting up a cost center to specifically look, or a cost column to specifically look at the cost center, is that it actually allows me to enter values. So I can enter values just against the plant cost center, and I can enter values just against the materials cost center. And if I show you that again, that's automatically allocated those for me. So you can set up default views for cost allocations, which speeds up the process of entering costs and makes it really quick and easy to use.